Hi everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and yeah, I do a lot of makeup videos. Today we actually are going to do my monthly Goodiebox unboxing. This is the Goodiebox of November and yeah, I haven't seen any sneak peeks or anything, so I have no idea what's inside of the box. But yeah, that's the plan of this video. If you're not already subscribing, I would really recommend you to do that. And like, comment, and hit the bell, turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. And yeah, let's start this unboxing. Goodiebox is a monthly beauty box subscription. You receive a box monthly and it has different themes and the box look different. It has different designs and shades and colors, but I think you always receive 5 full-size products. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's 5, and sometimes you receive extra stuff. And yeah, it's just a really good beauty box subscription. I prefer this over Glossybox, so yeah, but I still buy both. And I also have an affiliate link you can use if you want 50% off your first box. I don't receive money or anything. I just receive goodie points when you start a subscription with my link or by clicking on my link. Yeah, but anyhow, you receive 50% off your first box. That's amazing. So you don't have to pay full price for your first box. So I would really recommend you to use that. But anyhow, this is how the box looks when you receive it in your mailbox. So let's open her up. Oh, that's a nice shade. I love that. That's so pretty. I can almost have it here. That's so cute. So we have this black box and it says Goodiebox on the top, and you have this little drawer. This is the box they change the print and color of every month, and you just open her up. You receive a little paper with descriptions of all the products, so we're going to read these when we actually seen all of the products. I just unwrap it a bit and then I take one product at a time, show you, talk about it, and then we read the descriptions. Okay, let's do that. First, a product. It looks like some kind of oil. Argan Oil Marula Nourishing Hair Serum, 30 milliliters from Luxlis. Okay, vegan. It smells really good. Hair serum. I don't recognize this particular brand, but hair serums and hair oils are usually very expensive, at least if you want a nice brand. So with good ingredients and stuff, appreciated. It's a small bottle. Yes, I don't think this is full. Is it? It can be. If it's full size, this is probably really good and expensive. I don't know, but exciting. Next product. Ivy Aya. I received a lot from this brand. I have a toner from them. It's amazing. But this is a face cream with provitamin B5, all skin types, a protective, moisture preserving and rejuvenating cream. Allergy certified, 100% vegan and 0% perfume, made in Denmark. So it's just a moisture cream, and you should use it every morning and or every evening on cleansed skin. Okay, I'm not mad. I like this brand, but I'm not sure if I have this already or not, because I received a lot of stuff recently in my advent calendars, or not received, I bought. So I have to check that before I open this. But as I said, I received a lot from this brand, so I may have it. A nail top coat. 45-second top coat for Speedy Gloss by Nails Inc. I received nail polishes from this brand before, and I really like them. I like the packaging, I like the brush, I like the size, how fast they dry, how long they last. So it's a really good brand. I think I received a base coat or a primer from this brand in a very recent video where I unboxed the advent calendar, and I also received I think 2 or 3 shades in different boxes and calendars. So I still have a lot to try out, but I also tried some, so I know they have good products. So that's appreciated. Okay, I hate face masks. I said this hundreds of times, but now we received another face mask, or is it eye mask? Yeah, eye mask, same shit. They can be nice sometimes if you have like cried all night or something and your eyes are all puffy and you look like you had like 50 rough years, then they can maybe make you look like 20 bad years. So I don't know. But anyway, this is the Star Skin VIP Gold Mask Eye Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. So, Star Skin received a lot from them, a lot of masks from them, so it's not a new brand for me. I think the brand is appreciated and I think people actually like their products if you like masks. But I can't really say because I'm not really into that category, so don't take my word for it, but I think they're appreciated. What is this? What? Bare necessities. Necessities. What? Eyeshadow and blush palette. Are you serious? Oh, do you see my smile? Hello. What? Finally! Come on, Goodiebox! I've waited so long for this. I love makeup, and I've seen that Goodiebox had some, a long time ago, they had boxes with palettes. Okay, and I didn't receive any of those. But now, finally! My god. Phase Zero makeup. I think I have some things from them. Not a palette. Okay, this looks so good. My god. Okay, so it's matte black, and then you have the text in okay, I don't know. This looks amazing. Okay, let's hope it looks amazing on the inside as well. Should we see together? Ooh. What do we have? We have some gorgeous mattes and some shimmers and what was this? Blushes. Okay, let's try a blush. Let's try the pink blush. I already have blush on, but I don't care. More blush. Oh, more makeup. Yeah, that's too much. I love it. Oh, too excited now. Okay, should we swatch a shadow maybe? Even though I don't like swatches. Okay, we have a brown, a matte. Okay, I suck at swatching. But I mean, it shows up. I don't think swatches actually matter. We have a shimmer silver. Yeah, worst swatches ever. Not the palette's fault, it's my fault. Okay, Goodiebox, I waited, as I said earlier. This is amazing. Okay, this made my day. Yeah, I'm serious. I love warm shades, this is perfect, and that you receive some face products as well at the same time. That's really nice. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Let's read the descriptions. This is how the description paper looks like. The first product is the palette Phase Zero Bare Necessities Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for around $45. That's expensive. It has a mix of metallic and matte, wow, shimmers and matte shadows. Also bronze, oh, a bronzer and a blush. Okay. Then we have the Nails ink, also full size. 45-second top coat with retinol. Retails for $18. So you use the top coat when you want the nail polish to dry faster. That's really good. Lux Liss Nourishing Hair Care Serum. Retails for $25, and that's 55 milliliters. This was not, yeah, this was 30, so it's not a full size. Give your hair some extra love with this hair serum from Lux Liss. It controls the frizz, it gives moisture, and it helps to protect against heat. Ivy Aya full size face cream with provitamin B5 retails for around $7. It calms and nourishes the skin. It gives intense moisture all day long. Use it morning and or evening after you've cleansed your face. Star Skin VIP The Gold Mask Eye Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Mask. Retails for almost $30 with a set of 5 masks. That's crazy expensive. Blah 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 blah. Okay, bullshit about that one. I hate masks, not interesting. This is definitely one of the best boxes I received from Goodiebox this far. I love it. And I love the look of the box. You can really reuse this and put things in it. I die for the palette, my god. And this top coat, also amazing because sometimes you just receive the nail polishes. When you receive products like this, you can actually try out new things within the category nail polish or nail stuff. Hair oil or serum, amazing. And the face cream, and the eye mask, but the rest of the products, I'm really happy about this box. Seriously. Okay, that's a very short video because I liked everything in this box. But yeah, I hope you find this box as good as I do. And I don't know if you can receive this box if you start to subscribe now. Maybe you can mail them and ask, but I hope you can because this is an amazing box. But yeah, don't forget to use my link if you want to receive 50% off your first box. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell if you don't want to miss my future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!